Do you know how loyal a dog can be? This is the story of a dog who guarded one man's entire life in the big city of New York. If you want to learn simple, warm English words about friendship and be able to easily discuss loyalty, stay with us until the very end to meet Leo, the perfect friend. In the big city of New York, a little boy named Alex lived. Alex felt very alone sometimes. One day, he played in Central Park. A small golden retriever puppy was there. The puppy looked at Alex. Alex looked at the puppy. He smiled. The dog wagged its tail happily. Alex named the dog Leo. Leo became Alex's best friend. They were always together. They walked side by side on the green grass. This was the start of their wonderful life.
Alex and Leo played every day. Alex sometimes felt scared of others. One day, a big kid took Alex's favorite red ball. Alex became sad. Suddenly, Leo began to bark. Leo's voice was loud and firm. Leo stood right between Alex and the big kid. The big kid was surprised and quickly gave the ball back. Alex laughed. He hugged Leo very tightly. Alex understood that Leo was not just a friend. Leo was his brave guardian. Alex had a problem at school. He got some bad grades on his report. Alex cried alone in his room. Leo came slowly next to Alex. Leo placed his soft head on Alex's lap. Leo looked at Alex with his big, kind eyes. Leo did not speak, but his presence was important. Alex felt much better. He started to study hard. Leo slept right next to him on the floor. These quiet moments taught Alex that loyalty means being present. Years went fast. Alex grew up and was now a young man. He worked in busy Manhattan. He dressed for work every morning. Leo was not a puppy anymore. He was a big, strong golden retriever. Life in New York was fast and difficult. The streets were crowded. People were always in a hurry. Leo always walked Alex to the subway station. He made sure Alex reached the train safely and on time. Alex came home very late on some nights. He was tired from work. The neighborhood was dark sometimes. Leo always waited for Alex. He slept close to the apartment door. One night, Alex heard a strange sound. It was the sound of footsteps in the hall. Leo woke up instantly. He let out a deep growl. Leo's growl was very deep and loud. The sounds outside stopped. Alex was scared, but he knew Leo was there. Leo searched the room and then came back to sleep next to Alex. Alex met a girl. Her name was Sarah. Sarah was a beautiful woman. Alex wanted to introduce Sarah to Leo. Sarah came to Alex's apartment. Leo was cautious at first. He smelled Sarah. Then Leo wagged his tail fast. He licked Sarah's face. This meant Sarah was good. If Leo did not accept Sarah, Alex would have worried. But Leo was the best judge. He gave Alex confidence in his choice. Alex and Sarah got married. Leo was at the wedding ceremony. He wore a small, smart bow tie. Alex put the ring in his jacket pocket. He was afraid he would lose it. But Leo stood right next to Alex. Leo saw the ring. He nudged Alex's pocket with his nose. It was like a reminder. Alex laughed. Leo did not just protect him from danger, but he also helped him in the most important life moments. Alex and Sarah had a baby girl. Her name was Lily. Lily was a beautiful, pretty child. Leo was getting old, but he was still very gentle. Leo loved Lily right away. He always slept next to Lily's small bed. Alex and Sarah were not worried about Lily. They knew Leo was there. Leo had a new job, guarding little Lily. Lily grew older. She was playful and fast. She always chased Leo in the apartment. Leo could not run fast anymore, but he always walked slowly. He kept an eye on Lily. One day, Lily walked close to the open window. Before Lily could reach it, Leo gently sat down in front of the window. He blocked Lily's path with his body. Lily stopped and started playing with Leo instead. Leo protected silently again. Leo became very old. Walking was difficult now. He could not climb the stairs easily. But Alex and Lily always helped him. Alex loved Leo and thanked him often. They still walked slowly to Central Park. Leo walked slowly, step by step. He still put his paws down to protect his family. He never left Alex's side, even when it was painful. Leo became sick. He spent most of his time sleeping. Alex, Sarah, and Lily were always beside him. They hugged him and pet him gently. Alex told Leo, "You were the best guardian, my friend." Leo could not bark, but he wagged his tail softly. Leo knew he was safe in his house and with his family. His love filled the quiet room. One morning, Leo did not wake up. He passed away peacefully in his sleep. Alex was very sad and cried. Lily cried too. Sarah held Alex tight. New York felt quieter without Leo, but Leo's great love stayed in the house. Alex remembered how Leo protected him from being lonely and from danger. He looked into his heart. Leo was still there. Many more years passed. Alex became a kind old man. His hair was white. He still lived in New York City. Lily was all grown up. Alex sometimes went to the park alone. He sat on the old wooden bench. He looked at the spot where he first met Leo. Alex was not truly alone. He told Leo's stories to Lily. Leo was not physically there, but he lived in Alex's heart. One day, Alex was sitting on the bench. A small puppy ran right up to him. The puppy was playful and looked just like young Leo. Alex smiled gently. He pet the puppy. The puppy's owner came over. Alex smiled and told the owner, "I also had a dog like this. His name was Leo." He felt his heart was a little bit healed. Alex returned home. He looked at Lily. Lily was a young woman now. She told Alex, "Dad, I want to get a dog." Alex felt happy. He told her Leo's story again. Lily said, "I want to name him Leo the Second." Alex smiled and felt emotional. He knew Leo's love and protection would continue. He bought a new golden retriever puppy for Lily.
Lily got married and had a son. She named the boy Little Alex. Old Alex was now a happy grandfather. Leo the second was the family dog. He was gentle, just like the first Leo. He always slept next to little Alex. Old Alex smiled. In this moment, he could feel the first Leo. The circle of protection was complete. Alex lived his whole life in New York. He had many ups and downs, but in every step, a loyal heart was beside him. Leo taught him that true love never ends. He taught Alex that no matter how big the city is, you are never alone. Leo was his best friend and his greatest guardian. This story was about a dog, but it was also about a family's endless love.